Welcome to my channel. See how I'm mechanic.
Lexus ES300 is what we got. Got a little fender bender here. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Alright, so first I'm gonna dry the water because it's wet since it was raining. So I'm gonna get that dry first. Alright, so let me explain so far what I've done. Well, so the headlight, these people, they don't want to buy anything, they just want to fix it. So I put a little screw to bring the headlight to the front. This whole thing here, I took it off completely, and as you can see, I put a bigger knot there, like an extension to, like a spacer, and then I put longer bolts. So I did that for both on the top and one on the bottom. This bracket, I took it off completely, and I drilled the holes a little bit bigger on the bottom, and what was the other one? Right up here, so I could bring the bracket down a little bit. And then on the top right here, I shave it off a little bit so that's straight. I got a jog bar here, pry bar. So I went right behind here and I push, and as I push, the thing came up and out. So after that, then I start pulling on the hood, and I'll show you how it came out. So let me go from this angle here. So I'm going to close it. Also, so the hood was slightly pushed back. So what I did, I removed the two bolts over here, which I'll show you, which is this one. So this one has, it starts small and then it get bigger. That's to center the hood, so it only goes one way. But that was actually, you know, not letting the hood come to the front. So I put one straight that it doesn't have that thing. So I was able to, you know, shim it out a little bit and then put the screw in. So let me take plug and fly it off. I'll show you how we look. I took off the grill, so you can take a look at that while you work on it. So the idea here is to bring the side down. You get a piece of wood and you put it right on top of your battery, and then either you have someone to push it down there, or you fold it here and you push on it. It will make it straight. You gotta work it slowly, so it's not gonna happen just boom boom. So now, this is how we look. See the gap, just a little bit. And also this side, I loosen all the bolts on the fender so I can bring it over a little bit, just a little bit. But that's how we look. That's how it's gonna stay compared to the big gap that thing had. So if you see it from here, just see the black line. Now you see it on the other side. You see the line. You don't see the big hump that it had. Alright, well, I couldn't show you the whole process. It's not easy working and recording, but at least I I gave you an idea on how to do it. So there you have it. Thank you. See you in the next one. That's how it look after you put the cover back on. Well, there you have it. I'll put everything back on. It's like back to normal. Most of the hit was on this corner right here. But hey, the car looked good. Car looked like nothing happened. So there you have it.